Ugh, hands full, phone dead, keys buried somewhere in your bag. We've all been there. That's why I've been testing the August Home Wi-Fi Smart Lock, 4th generation, for the past 2 months, to see if this keyless, app-controlled lock really makes life easier or just adds more tech headaches. Spoiler, it's mostly amazing, but there's one big catch you need to know about. Key features and real-world benefits. First, what makes this lock special? Unlike most smart locks that replace your entire deadbolt, the August attaches to the inside of your door, keeping your existing keyhole outside. That means no landlord issues, perfect for renters. No rekeying, your old keys still work. No ugly keypad messing up your door's look. But the real magic is in the auto unlock feature. Walk up to your door and it unlocks before you touch it. No digging for keys or phones. I tested this with arms full of Amazon boxes, and it's a game changer. App control and smart home integration. The August app lets you share virtual keys, permanent, temporary, or scheduled. See a log of who enters, exits. Great for Airbnb hosts. Auto-lock the door after it closes. No more saying to yourself, "Did I lock the door?" It works with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. Though HomeKit requires a hub, like an Apple TV. Pro tip, skip the August Connect bridge. This 4th gen has built-in Wi-Fi. The big downsides, and how to fix them. Now, the elephant in the room, battery life. Some users report 1 to 2 months per charge with CR123A lithium batteries. That's not great. But here's what I found. Battery hacks. Use name-brand lithium batteries. They last 2 to 3 times longer than alkalines. Disable Wi-Fi if you don't need remote access. Use Bluetooth instead. Turn off auto unlock if you're home all day. Saves approximately 30% battery power. Also, the auto unlock range is short, about a block. If you live in a dense area, it might not trigger until you're at your door, killing the hands-free magic. Want to see my battery life stress test and real-world range check? Click the link below for the full data, plus today's lowest price. Installation, easier than IKEA furniture? August Home claims 10-minute setup. And shockingly, they're right. You just tape the outside bolt so it doesn't fall out. Swap the interior thumb turn with August's adapter. Snap the motor unit on. No drilling, no wiring. Even my technophobe dad did it solo. But warning, the door sensor, for ajar alerts, is annoyingly fussy to align. How it compares to competitors. Versus Schlage & Code. Schlage has a keypad, no phone needed, but can't auto-unlock. August wins for convenience. Versus Ultralock U-Bolt. Ultralock has a fingerprint scanner, but August's app is way more polished. Versus Yale Assure. Yale works with Apple HomeKey, but August's design is sleeker and more renter-friendly. Verdict? August is the best for hands-free access, but Schlage wins if you hate changing batteries. Still on the fence? Click below to compare live prices on all top smart locks, updated hourly. Final verdict, who should buy this? After 60 days of testing, I'd rate the August Smart Lock 8.5 out of 10. It's perfect for renters, no permanent changes, tech lovers who want auto unlock, Airbnb hosts for its easy guest access. Skip August Home if you hate battery maintenance. You need long-range auto unlock. You prefer physical keypads. For me, the convenience outweighs the battery hassle, but bulk buy those CR123As. Ready to ditch your keys? Click the link below to get the best deal today. Use code KFREE10 for an extra 10% off. Smash like if this helped, and subscribe for more no BS smart home reviews.